Hi there, this is SADESIGN channel, and today I'm going to share with you how to turn normal text into burning text. Stay tuned. Create a new document with Ctrl N. Please note that we choose color of background in black at the beginning, so it won't take all the steps later. Use T shortcut for horizontal type tools to create text. Type a text that you want and press Ctrl or Command T to modify the size of text. Right-click to the text and choose Create Work Path. Keep the path only by delete the layer and create new layer. Go to Filter, Render, Flame. There are lots of options for you to modify the flame's texture as you want it. In this case, I'll increase length and width to 80 and 82 respectively. We can delete the path now. That's all for the tutorial. Have fun! If you like Photoshop and photograph just like SADESIGN, and you want to get more and more tips, techniques, experience from us, make sure to subscribe our channel by simply clicking the subscribe button. You will get tons of free tutorials that SADESIGN share about Photoshop technique on a daily basis. If you have any ideas, don't hesitate to leave comments right below the video. We look forward to see your thoughts. Thanks so much for following and supporting SADESIGN. See you guys in the following tutorials. Bye bye.